Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So we're going to finish up Unit 1. We're going to talk about the intermediate value theorem. So come along, I'll explain and I'll give you an example. Okay, so say I have a graph right here and I have these 2 points right here. And I tell you that this function is continuous, right? So I'm telling you we're continuous. My question is, let's just pose this question. Is there going to be a value of c such that f of c equals 3? Well, yes, let's think about it. As long as we're continuous, we're going to hit every single y value in between 1 and 5. 3 is in between 1 and 5. That's all the IVT is saying. It's saying we're going to hit every single y value in between the y values that are given as long as we're continuous. That's like the biggest thing. What's annoying is how to explain it. But let me just show you. So we have a few options. Option 1, my graph could look like that. Obviously, I hit a y value of 3. Option 2, it could just be a straight line. We could dip down and then up. Or we can hit 3 a few times. We could do a bunch of squiggles. Okay? So let's look at an actual example here, using a chart. So on one Friday afternoon, Miss Rice and I are throwing around a TI-84 calculator. During the time interval 0 to 60 seconds, the calculator's velocity is reported below. Selected values of the continuous function are given below. So we got a table IVT question here. Between 0 and 60, must there be a time t when the velocity is equal to 9? All right, so step 1. I tell you that we are continuous. Next step, look at the table, pick 2 coordinates in the given interval where we're definitely going to hit a y value of 9. So I'm going to choose between here and here, because to go from 7 to 15, we're going to hit a y value of 9. Now we just have to write it out. So this is what I like to do. I like to do, and we could do it in kind of a list. So I'm going to say, since v of t is continuous. So step 1, you got to tell me it's continuous. And I like to list the coordinates next. So I like to list v of 25 equals 7, v of 30 equals 15. So you want to list the coordinates you're working with. Then I like to list that the y value 9 is in between 7 and 15. So I'm going to make an inequality. 7 is less than or equal to 9 is less than or equal to 15. By the IVT, now here's where we name the theorem, and then we restate the question. V of t equals 9 for some t on the interval 0 to 60. That's it. So it's annoying to write it out, but the IVT is pretty straightforward.